Yeah.
I look good?
Always.
Yeah. What is up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super poppin' video for you guys. I decided that I would draw my Fashion Nova OOTD. Yes. I was just like, you know what? I might as well go ahead and do drawing my outfits, you know, since, you know, people do Fashion Nova OOTD videos and everything. And plus, you know, I want this to be a fashion, art, and beauty channel. So I was like, you know, we gotta combine it, you know what I'm saying? So I've been wanting to do this video for the longest time, and so I get to do it today for you guys. And let's get started with the video. Alrighty, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm doing is starting out with my sketch, and I'm working in Procreate on the iPad Pro. I know a lot of you guys have been asking. That is my favorite digital painting app. But first things first, the dress that I got from Fashion Nova, it's called a work of art dress, and I was like, you know what, this would be the perfect, you know, dress to draw for this video because, you know, it's called a work of art, and this is an art channel primarily, and art, beauty, and fashion or whatever. So I was just like, okay, this will be the perfect dress to draw. So unfortunately though, the dress is sold out. I recorded this video in the summer, and I'm just now like finishing it up. I obviously can tell I recorded in the summer because, child, it's cold outside and I would not be wearing this dress right now. So yeah, I'm so happy that I'm finally actually editing this video and getting this out there for you guys, because I have so many things to do. It's just like, this was long overdue, you guys. I was like, I gotta get this video done because I gotta keep it moving because I got a lot of other things to do. But I'm happy that I'm doing this video today for you guys. But yeah, so my process for this drawing specifically, I started out, you know, from scratch in the app, and usually now I actually do my sketches first. Like, I'd sketch it on paper traditionally, and then I'll put it into Procreate and color it that way. But this specifically, I started from scratch in the app. So I would like to, you know, when I start, I like to start with a nice light sketch layer, and then I'll make another layer and go over it and do my line work and everything. I don't like using pure black for it because I just like to use more like natural colors or whatever, just so it can kind of help me to ease into my coloring or whatnot. But yeah, right here I'm drawing the braids, and y'all, let me tell y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even gonna front. Drawing braids is hard, and it's a lot of detail, and I do be slacking when it comes to the braids sometimes. Like, I won't even like finish it and make it perfect. Like, I'll just kind of like skim through it because I know y'all seen my tutorial on it. That's just too much detail. Like, I'm just, you know, I'm just like, you know what, let me make this as, you know, simplified as possible. But that, it obviously isn't simplified in this one because I just was being a perfectionist with this drawing, and I just got into more detail and more detail and more detail. But yeah, I was actually still just like playing around with the colors and stuff because I'm still like practicing when it comes to like drawing from scratch in the app, because I really love, you know, just coloring over my sketches. I think, you know, that's like my favorite way to color things, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, this drawing has been fully rendered. I don't know if you guys have seen that one OOTD picture that I did a long time ago on my Instagram. It got really popular. It basically has the most likes on my Instagram page, I think. I'll put a picture of it up for you guys if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that picture is fully rendered. So I'm, you know, basically, you know, fully rendering this picture, which means like I'm coloring over the lines and everything, and, you know, making everything kind of look as realistic as possible, but still keeping it my semi-realistic cartoony style. But yeah, I definitely like coloring my sketches from traditional drawing now, because doing it this way is just, whew, it take way too long and it's too much work, but I mean, it does give you beautiful results. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this drawing here. I wasn't really sure where I was going when I was doing the background, but I ended up, you know, liking how it came out or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest in time lapse. Also, you guys, as you can tell, I made myself a little bit more thicker than a Snicker. You know, I had to exaggerate it a little, because, you know, shoot, you know, we gotta exaggerate your drawings a bit. I mean, that's what I do with all my art anyway. So of course I made, you know, my butt a little bit bigger than what it really looks like, but you know, it's all cool or whatever. That's just how I do for my style. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I'm really happy that I was able to use myself as a reference for my character, and also big shout out to my boyfriend for helping me to film the beginning parts of my video. And yeah, you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Raw Sushi to see the full pic. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Okay y'all, that was the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like these down in the comments below. And yeah, you guys, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this new kind of idea that I had for the channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace, love, and God bless my homies. Bye.